Whitehouse is always big. Have you seen Whitehouse where President of America lives? This video has nothing to do with it. Your room is limited by walls and a ceiling. If you want a small room to look spacious, easiest trick is to paint it white. Use white on flooring, get a white ceiling. Use white on all visible surfaces. Apart from the point that it will start looking like an hospital, what I'm trying to explain here is white makes your room look bigger. White has quality of hiding edges and boundaries. Your eyes cannot understand where your wall ended. It dissolves limits of your wall and ceiling. It is difficult to focus and find corners in the room. And this tricks your brain into feeling of more spaciousness. So should you go ahead and get everything white? Maybe you should not. There are many more aspects to it which we will be discussing in remaining course, which will help you make decision. However, for now, it is important to understand that white makes your room look bigger.